Hello students. Today in this video I will explain you exercise 5th C. All of you see question number first. First question is you have to find the amount and compound interest. Two things you have to find, amount as well as compound interest on 10,000 rupees. So on 10,000 means this is the principal, P value is given 10,000 rupees for 2 years. 2 years means number of years are given, time is given. तो number of years को आपको show करना है with the help of n. n is number of years. How many years? 2. So we will take the value of n. n is equal to 2 years at 9%. 9% is the rate of interest. So here three things are given: principal, number of year, time, and third thing rate. And you have to find amount and compound interest. So in this exercise you have to use the formula, and direct formula we will use for amount. Formula is amount is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power n. This is the formula to calculate amount. Amount is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power n. Now P value we will put, P is 10,000 rupees, bracket 1 plus R 9 upon 100 power n. n is 2, so here we will put 2. Now what you have to do, we will solve this bracket we will solve first. So this will become 10,000 bracket LCM we will take 100 ja 100 into 1 will be 100, 100 1 ja 100, 1 into 9 will be 9 power 2. Now we will add these two numbers. 100 plus 9 will be 109 whole power 2. Now next step, 10,000 we have to write as it is. Here no sign is there, that means multiply sign is there, so we will put multiply. Power is 2. Power is 2 means you have to write it 2 times. 109 upon 100 multiply 109 upon 100. Now next step is we have to cancel these 0. Last 2 0 will cut with these last 2 0. In denominator these last 2 0 will cut with these numerator 0. Now we have to multiply these number. 109 multiply 109, and when we will multiply 109 into 109 we will get 11881 rupees. So amount is 11,881 rupees. So this is the answer for amount. So here you have to remember this formula to calculate amount. So in this exercise you have to use the formula, direct formula, to calculate the amount. Now second thing what you have to find, क्वेश्चन में बोला था find the amount and compound interest. CI also you have to find. तो CI का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? CI का फॉर्मूला होता है फाइनल अमाउंट माइनस ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल. So final amount we had already calculated. Final amount is 11,881 minus principal is 10,000. On subtracting these two we will get 1,881 is the value of compound interest. So like this you have to do question number first. Now all of you see question number third. Third question is find the amount and compound interest. Two things you have to find, amount as well as compound interest on 8,000. So on means this is the principal value 8,000 rupees. After that for 2 years, number of years n. How many? 2 years. So n value हो गई 2 years at 7 whole 1/2% per annum. 7 whole 1/2%. This is the value of R. On changing it in improper we will get 15/2%. So in order to find the amount you have to use the formula. Amount is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power n. This is the formula to calculate amount. Now we have to put the value of P. P की वैल्यू डालेंगे 8,000 ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस R. R की वैल्यू क्या डालेंगे? R is 15/2. So here we will write 15/2. 1 plus R upon 100 is also there. So under this upon we have to put multiply sign और यहाँ पर क्या लगा देंगे 100. power n is there outside the bracket, so outside the bracket we have to write n means 2. Now here what you have to do, first of all you have to cancel these two numbers, ये दोनों कट करेंगे, these two numbers will get cancelled with a table of 5, 5 3 जा 50, 5 20 जा 100. Now 8000 we have to write as it is, bracket 1 plus 3 upon 2 into 20 will become 40 whole power 2. Now next step, 8000 we have to write as it is, bracket, here we have to take the LCM, 1 and 40 LCM will be 40. Next step, 1 40 ja 40, 40 into 1 will be 40 plus 40 1 ja 40, 1 into 3 will become 3. In this square we have to write as it is. Now 8000, no sign is there, that means multiply 40 plus 3, 43 upon 40 whole square. Next step, 8000 we have to write as it is, 43 upon 40 whole square is given. Because of this square we have to write this 2 times, इसको 2 बार लिखेंगे. After that last 2 0 we will cancel with these last 2 0. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, last 0 will come at last, 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Now we have to multiply 5 with 43 into this 43 also. So on multiplying these number, 5 multiply 43 multiply 43, we will get 9245 rupees. So this is the answer for amount. And in question he said you have to find amount as well as compound interest. CI में निकालना है, तो CI formula is, CI is equal to final amount minus original principal. So now we have to put the value, CI is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 9245 minus principal is 8000. On subtracting these two we will get 1245. So this is the answer for compound interest. So like this you have to do question number 3rd. Now all of you see question number 6th. Question number 6. Find the amount and compound interest on 18,750. On है, so that means it is principal. 18,750 rupees is the principal. After 3 years, so number of year n, how many are there? 3 years. Compounded annually, compounded बोला है तो compound interest वाला मेथड लगाना है. Rate of interest being 8%, 10% and 12% during the first, second and third year. So in this question you will observe rate for first year and rate for second year and rate for third years are different. So here what you have to do, you have to write R1, R2, R3 separately. R1 is the rate of interest for first year, 8%, second is 10% and third one is 12%. 3 rates are given and you have to find amount and compound interest. तो amount के लिए फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 power n. This is the formula for amount. But in this question 3 rates are given. So here you have to change the formula. Formula क्या लिखेंगे आप? Power n नहीं लेंगे. We have to take 1 plus R1 upon 100. One more bracket we will take, 1 plus R2 upon 100. Again bracket 1 plus R3 upon 100. 3 times we have to take the bracket for first rate, for second rate, for third rate. And time n we will not take because this is work for 1 year, this is also work for 1 year and this is also work for 1 year. ये फर्स्ट ईयर है, ये सेकेंड ईयर है और ये थर्ड ईयर है. तो तीनों ईयर्स आपके ओवर हो जाता है. सो नो नीड टू टेक n नहीं लेना आपने, क्योंकि और क्वेश्चन में n की वैल्यू कितनी थी 3. तो 1 ईयर यहाँ ओवर हो जाएगा, 1 ईयर यहाँ ओवर हो जाएगा और 1 ईयर यहाँ हो जाएगा. तो टोटल विल बी 3 ईयर्स. तो ये ऑटोमेटिक कितने हो गए हैं? 3 ईयर्स हो गए हैं. नाउ वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू p. p is 18,750. No sign is there, multiply 1 plus r1. r1 is 8 upon 100. 1 plus R2, R2 is 10 upon 100. 1 plus R3, R3 is 12 upon 100. Now here you have to cancel the numbers. जो जो कट रहे हैं वो काटेंगे. 4 2 जा 8, 4 25 जा 100. Now these two number will not get cancelled. We will come to next one. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 4 3 ja 12, 4 25 ja 100. Now we have to write the remaining number. 18750 into 1 plus 2 upon 25 है, 1 plus 1 upon 10 है, 1 plus 3 upon 25. Now next step we have to take the LCM. LCM लेंगे. This one we have to write as it is. After taking LCM of 1 and 25, we will get 25 only. 1 25 is 25. 25 into 1 is 25. 25 1 is 25. 1 into 2 2. Another bracket. LCM 10. 1 10 is 10. 10 into 1 10. 10 1 is 10. 1 into 1 will be 1. Another bracket. 1 और 25 का LCM 25. 1 25 is 25. 25 into 1 25. 25 1 is 25. 1 into 3 3. Now we have to add these numbers. In brackets को add करेंगे. On adding these we will get 18750 into add करेंगे 27 upon 25 into 10 plus 1 11 upon 10 into 25 plus 3 28 upon 25. Now next step, this last 0 and last 0 will get cancelled. These two numbers we will cancel. 25 1 ja 25. 25 7 ja. When we will cancel it with the table of 25, we will get 25 7 ja 175. On subtracting, we will get remainder 12. 187 minus 175, remainder will be 12. That 12 and last number 5 will become 125. और 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 25 5 जा 125. तो इन दोनों को कट करके यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 75 नंबर. नाउ दिस 25 1 जा 25, 25 3 जा 75. डिनोमिनेटर ऑल द नंबर्स आर गेट कैंसिल्ड. तो अब आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर की 3 इंटू 27 इंटू 11 इंटू 28 एंड वी विल राइट द फाइनल आंसर. 3 मल्टीप्लाई 27 मल्टीप्लाई 11 मल्टीप्लाई 28. आंसर वी विल गेट 24,978 rupees. Sorry, 948. So this is the answer of amount. ये किसकी वैल्यू आ गई है? अमाउंट की वैल्यू आ गई है. नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन ही सेड फाइंड द अमाउंट एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सी आई भी निकालना है. तो सी आई का फार्मूला क्या होता है? सी आई इज इक्वल टू अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. अमाउंट वी हैड कैलकुलेटेड जस्ट नाउ 24948 minus principal is 18750. When we will subtract these two numbers, we will get the answer for compound interest 6198 rupees. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do question number 6th. Now all of you see question number 10th. The simple interest on a sum of money for 2 years at 10% is 5,000. What is given here? Simple interest is 5,000. So first of all you have to write simple interest SI. 5,000 rupees is given and time also given. Time is equal to 2 years. Here compound interest is not given. Here simple interest is given. So that's why we are writing time is equal to 2 year. N is equal to 2 नहीं लिखना है. N जब लेते हैं जब आपका कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट बोला हो टाइम को. अब आगे क्या बोला है? 10%. रेट ऑल्सो गिवन. R is equal to 10%. So here what you have to do? Here you have to use the formula for simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now we have to put the values. SI के नीचे 5,000. P P वैल्यू वी डोंट नो, P नहीं पता है. R 10% टाइम 2 upon 100. Now these two 0 will get cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. This 5 is in divide. On left hand side this will come in multiply. So 5000 multiply 5 is equal to P. So we will get 25,000 is the answer of P. P means principal. So here we got the answer of principal. Principal is 25,000 rupees. Now we will read next sentence. Find the compound interest on the same sum. Now you have to find compound interest on the same sum. मतलब principal आपको क्या लेना है, 25,000 ही लेना है. Same rate for the same period. Same rate same period means principal you have to take 25,000. rate वही लेना है जो पहले था 10%. same period means टाइम भी आपको वही लेना है जो आपको गिवन था. और फाइंड क्या करना है, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. तो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में टाइम जो होता है वो हम n से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, n से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल फाइंड अमाउंट. अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू P 1 plus R upon 100 power n. This is the formula for amount. Now we will put the value. P की वैल्यू है 25,000. 1 plus 10 upon 100 power n. n में लेंगे 2. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Now next step is 25,000 bracket 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10 square. Now next step is we have to add these number by taking LCM. So this will become 25,000 LCM 10. After that 1 10 ja 10 होता है. 1 10 ja 10 into 1 will be 10. 10 1 ja 10. 1 into 1 is 1. Whole square we have to write as it is. Now 25,000 10 plus 1 will become 11 upon 10 whole square. Next step is we have to write it 2 times. 25,000 into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10. Last 2 0 will get cancelled. Now we will multiply these number. 250 multiply 11 multiply 11. Then we will get the answer 30,250. This is the answer of amount. और आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, CI. तो CI का फॉर्मूला होता है अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. फाइनल अमाउंट माइनस ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल, जो कि अमाउंट में आप लेंगे 30,250 माइनस प्रिंसिपल लेंगे 25,000 और इनको माइनस करके आंसर आ जाएगा 5,250 rupees. So this is the answer for compound interest for question number 10. So now 7th, 8th, 9th and 11th question, no need to do these questions because in this question it is given you have to find the interest compounded half yearly. और compounded half yearly आपका सिलेबस में नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ compounded yearly वाले पढ़ने हैं. So no need to do question number 7th, 8th, 9th and 11th. So now this exercise is over. You all have to finish this exercise in your fair note.